We're gonna be with blue. 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 Nanny's using yellow right now. She's filling in the windows, huh?
Four blues right here.
Okay, you got, oh no, we're gonna use these colors here.
What color is this color?
You color that color. You want me to color that color? Okay. What color is this one? Is that blue too? Okay. All right.
These are four blues.
Four blues. 4 different color blues. Okay. Awesome.
They're covering their face.
Oh, sorry. Had a weak moment there. Wow. You're doing a good job on your picture.
Yeah, we're gone.
Doing a really good job.
Oh, let's start with this.
Yeah.
I found this part of the city.
Yeah? That part of the city.
You're gonna color.
All right, we're almost done coloring.
We're almost coloring.
Almost done, yep.
Okay,
And then Nanny's going to take you home.
You're gonna add some stickers on them too.
No, the stickers, we're going to save these stickers for I'm giving you 1 sticker to put on there. Because we already went through 2 packs of stickers.
I want this pack.
No, not the pack. You can have 1 of them.
I want this pack.
No. You went through 2 packs today. Remember, we have to save them for when
This pack.
each time you come, you go through a pack. And then Nanny gave you 2 already.
We're gonna wrap it on this.
Oh, you know it, right? All right. Oh, you're going to put it on my forehead. All right. What else do I got? Tattoos on my arms now. Oh. You figure this is going to get you from using
Tattoos though.
some of my tattoos?
These are sticker tattoos.
Put it on my cheek.
So maybe she has to drive around like that. She would
Good
though.
on.
You know I would.
Okay, you can put one on my arm.
All right. Nanny got stickers.
Ooh, a unicorn horn.
All right. There, we're good. You're going to save some of those, okay?
I want to take some for these ones for Mom too.
Yep, you save those for the next time you come, okay?
Okay, let's go put those away and you can put stickers on me next day, okay?
I want to add some more stickers on yellow.
I got no more stuff, Max. Go on. We're going to put the
I
crayons
want
away.
crayon now.
We're going to put our crayons away.
I want crayon.
We're going to go put our crayons away because we're going to take you home to see Daddy. And then you're going to come see Nanny again next
I
week.
want to take these ones.
No, we're putting them in this box. Excuse me. Aurora Bean, don't give me the face. Oh, the face. You got the face. On tape.
Ask her where that face gets her with Daddy.
Where does that face get you with Daddy?
Like back in the bedroom. Oh, there's quite a few times she decides she's not going to listen
Come on.
and she ends up back in her room by herself and she changes
Okay, that's
her
it.
room.
That's it. No more stickers for you.
Nanny's not going to buy any more.
No,
things.
that's it. If you don't want to start listening, Nanny's not going to stop buying you little things for when you come here. So you better be a good girl. Don't be making faces.
Do a good job cleaning, Nanny.
Big crayons. Don't want to break them. Yes, Nanny does a good job cleaning. Yes. Nanny. There, we're going to put these back. We're going to get your hat on you, Aurora Bean.
What's that coat?
That's Danny's coat. What are you eating, Max?
Whatever he can find. Hey, did you find peanut butter cookies, Max?
Kobe.
No.